If a customer comes into the showroom and they're looking for one supplier for the full house project, we can supply all the products.
There's not much that we can't offer in both aluminium and glass, so we can offer full house solutions for any build, whether it's a small bifolding door required, right up to £250,000 worth of glazing with any property. There's virtually nothing that we can't assist with.
It doesn't matter which product you choose, the guarantees are the same, they're all fit by the same people. It's literally just which product is best suited for you, your home, and of course your budget.
Many of our customers come into our showroom with architect's plans. Sometimes it might be before architect's plans have been drawn, and that's absolutely fine. The great thing is when you have a set of architect's plans is that we can break those down into the glazing elements, and we can discuss each element in real situ. And as you can see behind me here in the showroom, we've got real life examples. So chances are we've got something that replicates something very similar drawn on plans. A typical retail client may come in 2 or 3 times into the showroom during their project, and that's important because plans can change, sizing can change, budgets can change as well. So it's really key, and we emphasise that and try and encourage that where we can to come into the showroom and visit us.